Corded and cordless minus 90 minutes of cordless use. 28 adjustable length settings, 0.5 to 28 mm. 100% washable for easy and fast cleaning. Automatic worldwide voltage. No need for clunky converters. Turbo mode for thicker hair. Get an even haircut thanks to DualCut and Trim-n-Flow Pro technology. The new comb design prevents hair of any length from getting stuck in the comb, so you can finish your style in one go. Top reviews from the United States. Checks all the boxes. Look no further. Cuts well, no lubrication needed, long-lasting battery, washable. And best of all, adjustable comb. After using adjustable comb once, you can never go back to combs that need swapping. Comes with a bonus storage pouch. Hair never gets stuck in the comb. Great build quality. I got almost a decade from my old Philips hair clipper, so I have great confidence in this one.